Hello out there, you guys. This is the world famous here, Mr. River Rat, the troubleshooter, Borderland Amps. Today we have a Cobra 29 LTD Chrome, and this is a radio repair. Very simple here. What happened was a protection diode here. Protection diode is here. Protection diode is right here. I'm trying to focus you guys here. There it is right here. Protection diode here. Okay, see what it does. Probando 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 1. Okay, let's see current amperage on this radio. This is for watermelon from 1732. About 0.8, 0.7, somewhere on there. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Oh, about 1.5 current draw. 1, 2. Probando 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Worldwide radio. 1, 1. Testing. Probando 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 watts. Look here. The 100 will be the 10, number 40 will be the 4, and the 2 will be the 2. We have it look above 4.5, somewhere watts around there with a dead key. 1, 1, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probando 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hola, Coca-Cola. Hola, Coca-Cola. 1, 2, hello. Okay. Thank you very much. 73. I'm gone. Bye.